रविरौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वंशाभुजश्च कृपा दानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वत्र कृपाकर्म नित्यलीला भक्ति राम श्री महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति राम श्री महाराज के अवचरण कमलों में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत संवर्तम तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति राम स्वामी महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव के चरण कमलों में मेरा प्रणाम हम श्री चैतन्य चरितामृतम माधुर्य तृतीय परिच्छेद श्रवण करते हैं।
We are listening to Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhyam Leela, where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, after sannyas, he stayed at Advaita Acharya's house. And Sachimata, she came to meet Mahaprabhu. And she met Mahaprabhu. And they had conversation. We heard that Sachimata had conversations with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And at the end, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also pacified.
जगन्नाथपुरी और नवद्वीप अधिक दूर नहीं है।
She said to Navadip is not very far from Jagannath Puri, and then the devotees from Navadip, the Dham, always go to Jagannath Puri. That's why then I will always get your news. So,
इस कथा संग्राम वर्णन करें। जब चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ जी अद्वैत आचार्य के गृह में जब तक रहे और सूची माता
when he stayed at Advaita Acharya's house, and Mahaprabhu, so Advaita Acharya cooked for Mahaprabhu. Like Sita Thakurini cooked for Mahaprabhu, and many devotees came to his house, and he arranged all the accommodation and the bhojan for all the devotees who came.
भक्त कन्या प्रभु करें भोजन दिने आचार्य प्रभु दर्शन रात्रि लोके देखे प्रभु नर्तन कीर्तन कीर्तन करते प्रभु सर्वभावदय स्तंभ कंप कुलकाश्रु गद गद प्रलय खने खने पड़े प्रभु आचरण खाइया देखिया सची माता कहे रोदन करिया शून्य हईल एन बसु निमाय कलेवर हा करी विष्णु पासे मागे बर बाल्य काल हईते तुम्हार दिकई सेवन तार प्रति फल मरे देह नारायण হেতালে নিমাই পড়ে ধরিল ধরণী উপরে ব্যথা যেন নাহি লাগে নিমাই শরীরে চৈতন্য মহাপ্রভু ভাবিষ্ট হোককে
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, when he was doing Nitya Leela,
धरती पर
then on the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
गिर जाते
he used to fall down on the ground.
वह देख करके
And
सची माता
when Sachi Mata saw that, she used to cry.
और निमाई के उस समय सची माता
The Sachi Mata,
नारायण के निकट ये प्रार्थना करती
she used to pray to Lord Narayan
पूजा करती हूँ
that,
हे नारायण
Hey Narayan,
उस पूजा के फलस्वरूप आप मुझे इतने बल दीजिए
please give me
हमारे
the
निमाई के
strength,
शरीर में किसी प्रकार
that
रोग
also
ना
give the strength, also pray that my Nimai's body doesn't have any pain or doesn't get hurt.
सर्वकाल हरिद्रवाय करेनु सेवन तार प्रति बल मोरे देह नारायण সেই কালে নিমাই নিমাই পড়ে ধরণী উপরে ব্যথা যেন নাহি লাগে নিমাই শরীরে এই মত সজি দেবী বাস্তবে হর্ষ ভয় দৈন্য ভাবে হরিল লবিক শিবাসাদি যত ভক্ত ভক্তের বিপ্রগণ প্রভুরে ভিক্ষা দিতে হরিল সবাকার মন শুনি সচি সবাকারী করিল বিনতি নিমাই দর্শনার মুই পাবপতে তোমা সবাসনে হবে অন্যত্র মিলন মুই অভাগিনী মাত্র এই দর্শন যাবত আচার্য দিয়ে নিমাই অবস্থান মুই ভিক্ষা দিব সবাকারে মাগো দান ভক্তগণ কহে করি নমস্কার মাতার যে ইচ্ছার সেই সম্মত সবাই মাতার ব্যগ্রতা দেখি প্রভু ব্যগ্রমান ভক্তগণ একত্র করি বলিলা বচন তোমা সবার আজ্ঞা বিনা চলিলাম বৃন্দাবন যাইতে না বিঘ্ন হইল বিবর্তন যদ্যপি সহস আমি করিয়াছ সন্ন্যাস তথাপি তোমা সনে হইতে নাহিব উদাস মা সঞ্জীবী পরম বাৎসল্য
Mother Sachita's Vatsalya, he had said Vatsalya in the humble mood. She told all the devotees, I am getting older. That's why I cannot, it's not possible for me to Jagannath Puri.
किसी प्रकार और साधन नहीं था इस प्रकार उस समय कोई गाड़ी घोड़ा
At that time, there was not a proper transport to go from Navadip to Jagannath Puri. People used to walk by walk. These roads are not good. There's jungle. It was not easy to go to Puri from Navadip. Even in the, you had to pass the river in the boat. So Sachi Mata is saying, you will go to Jagannath Puri. She's telling all the Nimai devotees. For me, it was not possible. So as long as Nimai is staying in Advait Acharya's Angan house, then I will supply him food.
इसके पश्चात चैतन्य महाप्रभु शाम के समय सब भक्तों के साथ
And then all the devotees said, we agree with whatever Mother Sachi says.
भक्तों की जय हे नवद्वीपवासी
Whatever Sachi Mata's desires are, we agree.
वो मैं कभी भूल नहीं सकता
So when I took sannyas, he's telling his friends that he's saying that when I took this sannyas, I shall never ever leave you. Yes, Biram. After accepting sannyas, it is not the duty of sannyas to remain at his birthplace encircled by relatives. Sachimata said, "It will be great happiness for me if Nimai stay here, but at the same time, if someone blames him, it will be my great unhappiness." So therefore, Mother Sachi said, "In my opinion, if Nimai remains in Jagannath Puri, he may not leave any one of us, and at the same time remain a sannyas." Jan. So Mahaprabhu said to the bhaktas, "You tell me, what should I do?" I am mad. Without your instructions, I have taken sannyas. So sannyas doesn't stay in the place of his birth. Doesn't stay. Yeah, sannyasi doesn't stay in his birthplace. That is the dharma of sannyas. I said, what should I do? I have got so much sneha and mamta for you. That's why I'm so attached to you that I don't want to even leave you and go. I have taken sannyas. Why did I take sannyas? Because I've got madness. Because I am mad. I don't know the dharma of sannyas, but due to my madness, I took sannyas. So it says the sannyasi he should not stay in his birthplace. With his relatives. So I cannot stay in Navadip. So Sachimata is sometimes crying and sometimes sannyasi. Shastra says if sannyasi stays in that place, in the birthplace, around his family, then people will criticize. So Sachimata said, how will I tolerate criticism of Nimai? So what it is that Nimai should stay in Nilachal. Nilachal in Navadip is not very far. So during the Rath Yatra, the devotees go to Jagannath Puri. Then that way, I will regularly get his news. That's why, to fulfill the desire of Sachimata, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he's telling devotees, is saying that he's asking the devotees to bless him and that he goes to Jagannath Puri.
Krishna Sankirtan, Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha, Krishna Aradhan, Abdha Nilachali, Kuri Kaman.
That's why, like that, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was praying that you go return to your houses, do Krishna Nam Sankirtan and listen to Krishna Katha. And I will go to Nilachal. Navadip, all the residents of Navadip, Advaita Acharya's house. So they all came to Santipur to meet Mahaprabhu. That there's only one person who did, Vishnupriya. There's only one person who didn't come, and that is Vishnupriya. So Vishnupriya didn't come to Santipur to meet Mahaprabhu.
लेकिन महाप्रभु ने भी आदेश दिया
Mahaprabhu gave her
कि
Adesh
विवाहित स्त्री
that a married woman
दर्शन दें।
should
इसलिए विष्णु प्रिया देवी ने तो किसी किसी ग्रंथों में ऐसी वर्णन है
in some granth
ये
it said
महाप्रभु
that
अपने
Mahaprabhu
विग्रह की भी विष्णु प्रिया देवी ने दिया विष्णु प्रिया सभी का विग्रह
so he gave a Vigrah. Mahaprabhu gave his Vigrah to Vishnu.
और महाप्रभु उनको वो दिया था क्या अपने पादुका
Oh, just checking out Paduta.
They cannot hear Hindi.
I think put the where you are. How do I send a message?
और विष्णु प्रिया देवी वही महाप्रभु की दिए हुए विग्रह की सेवा करती और जिस करके महाप्रभु की जो खरम जो पादुका उसकी सेवा करती
So she used to serve the Paduka of Lord Chaitanya Prabhu.
लक्ष्मण के
Like Bharat, same as Bharat.
अपने
Just like how Bharat, Ram
ठीक उसी
gave
प्रकार
his Paduka
चैतन्य
to Bharat.
महाप्रभु अपने पादुका
So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same and similarly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave his Paduka to Vishnu Priya.
और विष्णु प्रिया देवी नित्य प्रत्यह महाप्रभु की विग्रह की सेवा करती
How she used to
भज गौरांग
Ganga, Gauranga,
लह गौरांगे नामे भज गौरांग जप गौरांग लह गौरांगे नामे हरे जे जन गौर भजे देहाय আমার প্রাণ রে भज गौरांग जप गौरांग लह गौरांगे नाम रे विष्णु प्रिया देवी
Vishnu
सदा
Priya.
सर्वदा महाप्रभु की विरह
In the separation from Mahaprabhu, she used to do kirtan and she used to do Vigrah Seva. From morning till afternoon, with one grain of rice, she would chant and Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. With one chawal, with one grain of rice, she would chant for every rice. So, however, whatever rice, the grains of rice that she had chanted on from morning till lunchtime, and from that she would prepare for the Thakurji. Ishan Thakur. So then he would half of the rice she would give it to for Sachi Mata and Ishan Thakur, who was the servant there. And then whatever was left over, that's what she used to eat. So even Ramayana, so it's like Ramchandra went to Ayodhya, even when she was in Ayodhya and he's in separated from Sita Devi, just in the same way, Vishnu Priya, in the separation mood of Mahaprabhu, that's how she used to live like a sannyas. If we go to Mama Gachi, one day Ramchandra, they came with Sita Devi here in Mama Gachi. That time Ramchandra was Sita Devi So one day Ramchandra was laughing, smiling, and Sita Devi said, "Hey Ramchandra, why are you laughing? Why are you smiling, grinning?" And he said, in my Krishna Leela, I can remember, I am remembering my Krishna Leela. When he's doing covered in with his friends, sakhas, in the Muni Rishi ashram, that I can see that, I am seeing that. After Ramchandra's Leela, Krishna Leela happened, but even in Ram Leela, Ram can remember, he is thinking about Krishna Leela. Because why? The Nitya, these Leelas, Bhagwan's Leelas are Nitya Leela, eternal. At the time by the arrangement of Yog Maya, these Leelas manifest in the Bhoma Jagat. In Krishna Leela, this is what's happening. That's Ramchandra. With his arrow, he threw. So with his arrow, you know, this arrow, the sharp end of the arrow, on his hand, he drew the like robe of Krishna. And he said, look, after my Ram Leela, I will do Krishna Leela. And then after that, it will be very beautiful Gaur Leela. In this Gaur Leela, there will be one speciality about this Gaur Leela is, in Ram Leela, we were separated at the end of the Ram Leela, that you will go in the one and I will stay in the house, like in the palace. In my Gaur Leela, I will leave the house and you will stay in the house. In the separation, you will stay in the house. So that's how my Leela will carry on. That's what is one Bangla Kirtan in Bengal. When Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas and he left, and Vishnu Priya was crying in the separation of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that how unfortunate I am. Even Keli, Tatra, with all these three yugas, I've been always unfortunate. In these all three yugas, I just cried and spent my life. Is it okay now?
তারপর যুগেতে হলাম আমি আয়ান ঘরণী, তারপর যুগেতে হলাম আমি আয়ান ঘরণী, শাশুড়ি ননদে আমায় সাজাল কলঙ্কিনী, কলিযুগে হলাম আমি গৌরাঙ্গ সঙ্গিনী। विष्णुप्रिया देवी
Vishnupriya is remembering all in a separation, remembering all the Leelas. In Satya Yuga, she's Narayani. And in Satya Yuga, that I was in Narayani Rupi, in Lakshmi Narayani Rupi, I was with my husband. But one day, Durvasa Rishi came.
उस समय मैं अपने पतिदेव को मैं
I was at that time,
सेवा कर रही
I
थी।
was serving my husband.
और दुर्वासा ऋषि
And the
आकर के
Durvasa
इतने
Rishi
जोर से
he said,
मेरे पतिदेव के छाती पर लात मारी।
he hit my husband on his chest so hardly. He kicked my husband on his chest.
और उस समय हमारे पतिदेव
And then Lord Narayan got very pain. Then he saw, then he opened his eyes and he saw, oh, this is Durvasa Rishi who's hit me. Bhigu Rishi. Sorry, it wasn't Durvasa Rishi, it was Bhigu Rishi. Bhigu Maharaj Rishi actually is
चलो दुर्वासा ऋषि
Durvasa.
इस कारण से जो है
There was a reason.
अभिशाप किया था।
Actually, Durvasa Rishi gave a curse or something.
इसलिए कीर्तन में गए सप्तजुगे छेलामणि
छेलामणि।
सप्तनारायणी दुर्वासा अभिशापे बलराम मर्तवासी। दुर्वासा ऋषि आकर के किसी कारण से जो है लक्ष्मी
Lakshmi
नारायण के जाओ आप लोग मर्तलोक
So
में
Durvasa Rishi said that you go to
तो उस
Matyalok,
समय
that
मैं मर्तलोक में आई
then I will come to
मर्तलोक
Matyalok.
कहा जाता है।
It's called Lakshmi.
लक्ष्मी की अनेक प्रकार
Lakshmi has many different manifestations. One is Vaikuntha Lakshmi, there's many Lakshmis. There's Bhava Lakshmi, Matta Varsini Lakshmi, Sarvagolok Lakshmi. So there are many, in Puranas there's many different Lakshmis have been mentioned. So when Durvasa Rishi went to Vaikuntha, and he gave Abhishar means curse, that Lakshmi Devi has to come to Mrityalok, this earthly planet. And here in Jagat क्या है? दुखमयी दुनिया और दुखमयी. So the name of this earth is Dukhmayi because there is suffering here. Then the Maya is
तथापि लोग लीला के अनुसार ये दिखाते हैं
because by
कोई भी आएगा
the
और उनकी दुख
by Maya, just by the arrangement of Maya, everybody thinks that they are enjoying, but actually in this earth, whoever comes on these earthly planets, they have to suffer. I see. So we worship Rishi. In the Tetra Yuga, in Tetra Yuga, Satyayug में Tetra Yuga wife, Patni, wife of. So she's saying that in Tetra Yuga I was a wife of Ram. Then it would Kaikeyi asked these two vows. One, I want to Bharat should rule the kingdom, and the second was that Ram should go to Vanvas for 14 years. He in Dwapar Yuga, I was the Radhaji. Ayan. You know, Radhaji's marriage was with Ayan Ghosh. This is.
जिससे क्या हुआ
Dwapar Yuga, and I would marry to Ivan. So the Jatila Kutila. The Jatila and Kutila, my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law, they say Radha is Kalakini. Kalakini means inauspicious. That she is so many times. They did so many times. And they addressed me as Kalankini. One day in
कृष्ण
Yavat,
राधा जी की
Krishna
गृह में
came
कक्ष
to
में प्रवेश किया।
Krishna came to Radharani's house.
ये लगा कि
It was locked from the her door was locked, and they were talking, and Krishna and Radha was listening. So from outside, this Jatila and Kutila are listening. Oh, there is somebody in here. That Krishna. Then they said, "Oh, Krishna is inside." So what did she do? So from outside, she locked the door. So in Vraj, so she went to Vraj, and she went and called all the ladies, senior ladies, and all the ladies of Vraj, and called them and said, "Look, this is a proof that how." So this is the proof. Krishna is Bhagwan. So when she opened the door, she wanted to tell everyone in the village that, look, this is what Radharani does, meets Krishna. So when she opened the door, Krishna is Antaryami, so the Jatila and Kutila, then they came with all the ladies of the Vraj, and then when they opened the door, Krishna is not there, only Radharani is alone there. So the ladies started to say, the ladies of the Vraj said, "Oh, where is Krishna? Where is Krishna?" So when they saw, what did Krishna do? Actually, what happened when Krishna went, he forgot his bansi, his flute. So when a thief comes to steal something and they may leave something of theirs, and then you can get caught. So Jatila and Kutila said, "Aye, whose flute is this?" Purnamashi and the Yogmaya, she knows that this is a flute of Krishna. Then she's saying, this is, even though she knows that, what, is this Krishna's flute? She's saying, "Oh, what do you think? There is only one flute in Vrindavan, in Vraj, there is only one flute, there is no the other flutes, so nobody makes a flute. Is it the only one Krishna who plays the flute? So nobody others play flute here? You tell us." So Bansi, so this Krishna Bansi. So how can you prove that this is Krishna's flute and that he came into your house? Jatila and Purnamashi. Purnamashi said, "There is only one Bansi." Yesterday, there was Bansi. There was a rain of Bansi yesterday, like just how the rain flows of water. But yesterday, what can I say? There was a baris. There was a rain of a flute. So you don't have Viswas. I saw it from my room. That there were 3 or 4 or 5 Bansis are in our house as well. So you are saying only, come on, Jatila, Kutila, let's go and see in your room. What did Yogmaya do? So when they went to his Jatila and Kutila's room, they saw 4 or 5 Bansi. So it's Yogmaya arranges all this Bhagwan's Leela. Jatila and Kutila, they said, "Arey, what?" They got so confused, and they said, that you got, yes, Yogmaya said, "What? There was a rain of flute last night." So, have you ever heard that there is a rain of a fish? In the Bade Tapu, big island, the big islands, the machilis, these baris, how the rain flows in those islands, these fish fall down like rain. So how does that happen? Is by the light of the sunlight evaporate the water. Because of the sunlight, the water evaporates, right? That's how we get rain. So, and then it's a whirlpool. And then when it's windy, what happens to what happens to the water? The water goes up.
जल जब ऊपर गया, ऊपर
When the water
इतने
goes,
बिहार जल जो है ये हो जाता है
the water goes up so much. So when this whirlpool like down on the in the ocean, then this water goes up. So then also the fish like kind of go up with this water, and then go that far in the sky, and then because of the wind,
टापू में
they fall down on the island.
प्रातःकाल में लोग उठ करके देखा
So when people wake up in the morning and they said they see that oh it's like rain, but they flutter karte, chatpat karte, you know, like they see that there's so many fishes around and they're like fluttering, you know, like, so you can say like this is, you know, like this is the shower of rain. We understand it rains, but then how can imagine that there's a rain of fishes? So so what did the Bhagwan do? Suddenly,
पक्ष में भी पांच छह बंसी भी प्रकट करते हैं
so this Jyotila, Yogamaya, what did she do? She manifested these flutes in his room. That Jyotila and Kutila, when they saw 5, 6 saw these flutes, so they said they realized, oh, whatever Yogamaya says, that is the truth. So why are you saying, where is Krishna? You should keep your house is Katha. You shouldn't tell others about your house Katha. So who will respect you from outside? In the Shastra it's little, whatever is going in your house, you shouldn't speak out. Whatever the Katha is of her mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law, that you shouldn't speak out. What will people do? People will just laugh about it. Externally they listen and they said, yeah. But, so he said, Radha ji is such a pure-hearted, Nirmal, simple lady, and you are making her, putting Kalankina on her. So Kutila said, okay, from today we will not do this. That's why Vishnupriya is saying that in Dwapar Yuga, in iron, I was the wife of iron. That's and then the mother-in-law and the daughter-in-law, and they are always giving trouble. It makes me Kalankini. Who is Sas? Sas. Mother. Sas means he will not let you breathe. Then Sas, the mother-in-law, will not let you breathe. Sas. Sas also means breathe. What is the name of the mother-in-law? Is Sas. So the mother-in-law, his name is also in Hindi, it's called Sas. Sas means that she won't let you breathe. She'll give you so much trouble. Yeah, she will always give you trouble, you know, like that. But she'll always be watching you all the time and, you know, give you trouble. So Vishnupriya is saying, in Dwapar Yuga, that I got married to Ayan, and that my Jatilini and Kutila gave me so much trouble. Sometimes once Jatila and Kutila, for some reason or other, they went out. At that time, there was a nice makhan and dahi in the house. That time, Krishna came. Krishna and Radha, they were kissing and hugging each other. They were kissing. And then Jatila saw that. Oh, no, Kutila. That is like, oh, I got red-handed. What are you doing? Radha, she said, he said, and then suddenly So yes, so Radhaji is saying that this Krishna came to our house and he was eating makhan, and then he told me that he's lying, that I didn't eat makhan. So I went near him to just smell his mouth to see that has he stolen the ghee or makhan. So then she said, "Oh, so yeah." Then at that time, then Krishna disappeared. So like that, there's many leelas. And that's why Jatila and Kutila, they sometimes do get red-handed, Radharani with Krishna, but like a police will caught the thief, but you have to prove that he's thief. So just like that, Jatila and Kutila always catch Radharani with Krishna, but then there's always they have to prove it. Is that correct? Yes, you have to prove. Like in the court, the police has to prove that this is the real thief. So if you go to somewhere, yeah, Praman, you need proof. It's like that. Vishnupriya is saying in Dwapar Yuga, I was a wife of Ayan Ghosh, but my mother-in-law and they put Kalankini. And Kalankini means, I don't know which is the English word for Kalankini. That in Gauranga, in Mahaprabhu's Leela, I came as the wife of Mahaprabhu by the sannyas. Then what did he do? So I got married to my Gauranga, but what happened in this Kali Yuga? Mahaprabhu took sannyas. Kalangini. What's the English name? Kalangini.
Sachimata की कहानी है.
That's Sachimata is saying.
তুমি সব করিতে পারো গমনা গমন গঙ্গা স্নানে প্রভুতারে হবে আর প্রভুতার হবে আগমন.
Sachimata said to all the devotees, you can go to Jagannath Puri. Sometimes he comes for snan. He comes for Ganga Snan in Navadip. That's when I will meet.
প্রভু আগে ভক্তগণ কহিতে লাগিল শুনিয়া প্রভুর মনে আনন্দ হইল নবদ্বীপবাসী আদি যত ভক্তগণ সবাই সম্মান করি বলিল বচন তুমি সব রোগ মরে পরম বান্ধব এই বিচ্ছান মরে দেহ তুমি সব ঘরে জয়া করা কর নাম সংকীর্তন কৃষ্ণ নাম কৃষ্ণ কথা কৃষ্ণ আরাধন আজ্ঞা দেওয়া নীলাচলে করিয়ে গমন মধ্যে মধ্যে আসি তোমার দিব দর্শন এত বলি সবাকারে ঈশত হাসিয়া বিদায় করিল প্রভু সম্মান করিয়া সবে বিদায় দিয়া প্রভু চরিত হইল মন হরিদাস কাঁদি কহে করুণ বচন নীলাচলে যাবে তুমি মোর কোন গতি নীলাচলে যাইতে মোর নাহি গতি इस प्रकार चैतन्य महाप्रभु
Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told all the bhaktas. He said, now go back to your house, and said with the Nam Sankirtan. And Haridas Thakur was crying that now we'll go to Nilachal. That how can I go to Nilachal? So he's saying that yesterday you said in the Katha that Advait Acharya said that I will not serve any sannyasi. Yesterday. Yes, because why? Because he's Madhavendra Puri's Sishya. Katha. So the Haridas Thakur said, I cannot. How will I be able to maintain my body without your darshan? Then Prabhu says, Haridas Thakur said, I will not be able to go to Jagannath Puri. So Haridas Thakur said, I will pray to Jagannath, and then you will definitely get to Jagannath Puri. One. So when the Vaishnavas pray to Thakurji for you, then the Thakurji will definitely make arrangements for you. What is the here Mahaprabhu said, I will pray to Jagannath Puri when I go to and I will pray for you. To Haridas Thakur, he said, I will pray for you, and then you automatically Bhagwan will arrange and you will get to Jagannath Puri. Mahaprabhu is Jagannath Puri, but he is saying, yes, but he is speaking like that. And Advaita Acharya, when Mahaprabhu stayed in Advaita Acharya said to Mahaprabhu, oh, still please stay another few days in our house. Then and they did a great utsav. And Advaita Acharya celebrated every day with a great festival. And during the daytime, the devotees, he spent time with the bhaktas, the devotees, and like with the spoke Madhur Katha. And then at night he did Nam Sankirtan.
आदिन प्रभु सब कहे सभक्त बने निज निज गृह सबे करह गमन घरे गिया कर सबे नाम संकीर्तन पुनरपि आम संगे होइबे मिलन बहुबा तोमरा न करिबे नीलाद बहुबा तोमरा करिबे नीलाद्रि गमन बहुबा शिवानी करिबे गंगा स्नान। फिर कुछ दिन रहने के बाद महाप्रभु कहने लगे,
Mahaprabhu stayed in Advaita Acharya. And he said, now go back to, he told his devotees, now you go back to your houses. And you come to, now when you come to Jagannath Puri, you also come to Jagannath Puri, and I will also come now and then to Navadip for Ganga Snan. If you do the Snan you take in Haridwar, Trivedi, if you have a snan in Trivedi, if you go to Kedarnath in Gangotri and have a snan, which is where do you get the most fruit? Mahaprabhu is saying that if you go to, I will come for Ganga Snan in Navadip. So people go so many places everywhere, so far away to have Ganga Snan. Where should you go for Ganga Snan? In Navadip. So all of you come to Navadip Dham. And then Mahaprabhu will arrange everything for you. All of you come to Navadip Dham. Hari ki jai.
हाँ मकसद है
And we will do festival. We'll have a grand festival there.
सारी सब सबके लिए खाना पीना सब व्यवस्था
Everything will be arranged.
है
Accommodation and food.
आज इसलिए गंगा स्नान
That's
है
why.
नवद्वीप में विशेष क्या है गंगा
What
स्नान
is the special?
और हरि कथा
What is speciality of Navadip is to have Ganga Snan and Hari Katha. And have darshan of Mahaprabhu, wherever Mahaprabhu's Leela was performed. The Gurudev used to say that
देखो वृंदावन आओ अथवा नहीं आओ
if you come to Vrindavan or not, but all of you must come to Navadip Dham.
हर साल नवद्वीप धाम चले जाते
That's why every year Gurudev used to go to Navadip Dham. Even in the beginning we saw that there was not a Vrindavan Parikrama
आज
so much.
और 2 साल के बाद है बाहर से भक्त लोग आते थे
After 2 years, every 2 years there used to be a Navadip, Vrindavan Parikrama.
बंगाल से हर साल लोग नहीं
And
आते
not every year Bengals used to come for Navadip, Vrindavan Parikrama because they are poor. Bengalis are poor.
उस समय बंगाल के लोगों की जो है
So,
गरीब लोग हैं उनकी खेती आदि करना पड़ता है
During the Kartik, even the Garib, the poor Bengali devotees, they have to do farming.
धान जो है उसमें आ जाता है धान की खेती काटना पड़ता
They
है
have to do harvesting. It's a harvesting time for that at that time.
खेती में सब्जी आदि लगाना पड़ता
So
है
they have to plant
और दूसरी एक समस्या जो होता है
vegetables. So that's why they didn't have time to go to Kartik Parikrama.
वो स्कूल कॉलेज के जो उस समय
Also in that same time, Kartik, they have examinations in schools and colleges. So that's why they couldn't come to Kartik Parikrama.
परीक्षा है ना
So if you have children, so if it's your children's pariksha, then you don't come. And then even like in Delhi, even from they cannot come from Delhi. Then when I ask them why didn't they come?
अरे आप आ जाओ ना
Yes.
बोले नहीं
Then he said the people from Delhi will say, oh, I cannot come because my son's exams are going on.
बेटा बेटी के परीक्षा है
So he said, better pariksha. That's why mother and father,
मथुरा आनी पाते
they cannot come from Delhi to Mathura or Vrindavan. Now tell
और महाबंगाल
and where is Bengal? Delhi.
हैं
Delhi. And how far is Bengal and how far is Vrindavan from Bengal?
तुम 2 घंटे के लिए
For 2 hours, like from Delhi to Vrindavan is about 2.5 hours. And 2 hours you cannot come. That my children are in year 10 or year 12. They are doing their exams.
इसलिए मैं इसलिए करता
That's why I
जो है
said at that time.
ये ब्रजमंडल परीक्षा हर साल नहीं होती
That's why Brajmandal Parikrama was not every year.
दरबार से भक्त लोग आते थे अनाउंस कर देते थे
Then
सब परिक्रमा
only when Bengal people used 400, 500 Bengalis used to come.
ये नहीं था विदेशी लोग तो नहीं
At that time foreigners didn't come. Foreigners.
और ये सब चीज बड़े-बड़े में
In Keshavji Gaudiya Math,
400 500 जो है
oh, it was about 300. Only
ब्रजवासी लोग भी जाते नहीं थे
even the Brajvasi, only couple of,
गया
only few Brajvasis used to come.
केवल बंगाली
But mostly it was Bengalis. That's, then every 2 years there was a parikrama. That's why Gurudev used to announce that all of you have to come to Navadip Parikrama. Even Gurudev used to go to Navadip Parikrama. Gurudev used to say, even his whole life, 2 years, only 1 year. Throughout his life, only 1 year, he didn't go to Navadip Parikrama. But otherwise, all continuously. Sart is 80, I think 80 years old. 2010.
जब वो देवानंद गौरी मठ के साथ
Oh, okay, sorry. Only there was some problems with the Devananda Gaudiya Math. That was the only year he went. He didn't know to Navadip Dham.
उस समय हम लोग
We stayed in the Govardhan Math, and we did Navadip Parikrama here.
हम लोग उस समय गोवर्धन मठ में रह करके
We stayed in Govardhan Math, and we did Navadip Parikrama there.
याद है कि
So it was only 1 year out of his life
उस समय
he didn't do Navadip Parikrama.
2004 होगा
I think maybe it was 2004 or 2005.
और बाकी
Or otherwise
continuous
continuously every year. He never left.
मेरे शरीर ठीक रहे अथवा
Whether he said whether my body is not good or but I will make sure that I will go to Navadip. Even Gurudev said at the end in 2010 Govardhan
ऑपरेशन हुआ
operation when he had when Gurudev had the operation,
3-4 दिन केवल बाकी था
and then there's only 3 or 4 days were left before the parikrama, and still Gurudev
नवदीप धाम
left and he went to Navadip Parikrama.
सन्यास के समय उनके गुरु भाई करने लगे
So all the sons, so the Guru Bhai said, "Oh, please you take rest." He said, "No, Navadip Parikrama I cannot leave."
मैं गुरुदेव को स्वयं धाम में श्रवण किया
I even heard this from Gurudev's wife. He said also that if you want to live, you have to leave your body. Then if you have to leave your body anyway, right? So it's best to live in Navadip Dham. Like Trivikram Maharaj, Harijan Maharaj, all his god brothers.
महाराज के कहने लगे
And the Maharaj has told him that you've just done the operation just now, so you should not.
आप नवदीप नवदीप में जाए वहीं पर विश्राम नहीं होते
Like if you don't come to Navadip, but if you go to Navadip, then there's no rest for him. So many bhaktas, so many devotees come and they knocked on his door, so he wouldn't get rest.
परिक्रमा जाए अथवा नहीं जाए
Even
किंतु अपने यहाँ पर हजार
Even you
गुणा
get परिक्रमा,
होता रहता है क्या विश्राम नाम
I've got 2% battery. I don't know why my battery consumes so much.
उस समय मेरा क्या मैंने एक पत्र
I remember
एक पत्र लिखा था
I wrote one letter to Gurudev.
गुरुदेव वामन ऋषि महाराज की पत्र लिखा याद आ गया
I remember that I wrote a letter to.
उस पत्र में श्री गुरुदेव नारायण ऋषि महाराज
In
ने
that
लिखा
letter, sorry, he wrote a letter, and then in that letter, Gurudev wrote that my health is not good, that I will have
आप कृपा करें
stigma.
ये मैं गुरु
Oh, Kalanki is stigma. Okay, okay. Thank you. That,
मेरा शरीर कब न
Kalanki.
छूट जाए
That
तो
when
मेरे गुरुदेव
My Gurudev,
एक दिन के बाद
for one day,
मेरे गुरुदेव वामन ऋषि महाराज
Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
नाम के पत्र लिखा
he wrote, Vaman Goswami Maharaj, my Guru Maharaj, wrote a letter to Narayan Goswami
मैं
Maharaj.
आपको वचन देता हूँ
I am giving my promise. I promise
जा नहीं सकते
you will,
मेरे जितने भी आयु है
whatever my life, he's saying. So Vaman Maharaj says, you will, nahi jaye, you will not leave this world before me. So whatever life I have, I am giving it to you. My life, I'm giving it to you. Some of my years, I'm giving it to you. So this letter, there are many letters were destroyed, but some letters, I used to write letters for Gurudev. Gurudev used to write a letter to Vaman Maharaj in all his other Guru Bhais in Bengali, because Gurudev couldn't write Bengali. So I used to write for him. I used to write in Bengali for him. And Gurudev used to dictate and I used to write. I remember it. Vaman Goswami wrote a letter to Gurudev and said, "Hey Maharaj, mere se pehle you will not go before me."
मेरे जितने भी आयु
whatever Ayush, my life days, that I'm giving my life, my life to you.
ये बताइए। कुछ गुरुदेव के कुछ पत्र जो है वो गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ वो क्या बोले वो नष्ट कर दिया था, क्या बोले दिमाग जो है गुरुदेव उसमें सब एक लंबी तार में रखा था एक एक करके उसमें दिमाग कुछ लग गया, कुछ पत्र तो नष्ट हो गए थे मेरे साथ।
Oh, like some of the letters were destroyed. It was very big that because some letters were like by is it by insects or something, like they were just like destroyed.
हाँ?
Oh, they said ISKCON. They said ISKCON. They took the letters. Some of the letters were taken by ISKCON. That's what he said.
ये दुष्ट तो हो गया।
Hare, no wonder.
ये ना नहीं है।
No wonder. They shouldn't have taken. They shouldn't take
दूसरा
it.
काम करके आ गया
They
और
came here as friends
चाकू चला दिया।
and then they stabbed you.
दुष्ट है।
Deuce.
हैं? मैं तो सुनाई ऐसे कर दिए।
Did
मेरा
you know
क्या?
that?
गुरुदेव के कुछ जो है पत्र जो है
So Gurudev wrote these letters.
उसका मैंने आप मेरे सामने दिए कुछ पत्र जो है
Some Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj wrote letters to Gurudev. Those letters they took.
हाँ गुरुदेव उन लोगों के ऊपर बहुत विश्वास करते थे। गुरुदेव जो है
Yeah, Gurudev used to have so much faith in, so much trust at this ISKCON devotees.
बनाने नहीं है।
And Gurudev said,
थोड़ी बनाना है।
I don't want to make,
क्या थोड़ी लिखा जाएगा।
I am not going to write. I didn't come to make sishyas
ये एक मन में था
like disciple. That
मुझे तो शिष्य बनाने ही नहीं है।
Gurudev said that, I don't want to make sishyas.
आज नहीं। और
Or
इसलिए
that's why.
ये सब हमें क्या जरूरत है?
So we don't. This,
देखो
yes.
गुरुदेव के इतने से सरल थे गुरुदेव।
Gurudev was so
वो
simple.
गोवर्धन की जो मठ जो है कौन सा?
Giri,
परिक्रमा मार्ग जाते हैं ना?
we go to Govardhan Mutt.
वो जो है वो मठ जो है वो जगह जो है
That place.
गुरुदेव के देने वाला था।
Oh, I don't know which place he's talking about, but he said that place was meant to be under Gurudev for 1 lakh, 1 million or something.
और ये लोग कहने लगे महाराज
And they
आप
said,
तो भी शिष्य हैं, हम लोग भी तो शिष्य हैं।
you don't have any sishyas, we are sishyas. Tamal Krishna Maharaj, Giriraj Maharaj.
मेरे याद है सर।
I remember this
है,
very
ये
well.
इतिहास है।
This is the history.
प्रमाण
But
है। गुरुदेव उसके बाकी जी के पिता 1,25,000 वो जगह कितना बड़ा जगह है।
yes, who's giving
इसका मार्ग देखा ना आपने?
ISKCON.
बाएं की तरफ।
Mark
वही
it.
जगह लेने के लिए
Oh, I don't know which place it is, but it's now it must be ISKCON place. But that place was given to
महाराज
Gurudev.
देखो यहाँ पर रहने
But
को।
Gurudev said, who will stay
अरे इस
here?
मॉडल में तो हमने तो बस ये तो 4-6 ब्रह्मचारी रहता है।
There's only 3 or 4 brahmacharis stay here.
आज में नहीं। और मैं तो शिष्य नहीं बनाता।
I don't make many
है,
disciples.
गुरुदेव केवल हरिनाम दे देते।
At that time, this Gurudev only used to give Harinam.
आचार्य भक्तिवेदांत बामन गोस्वामी
So,
महाराज।
and Acharya Bhaktivedanta Vaman Maharaj used to give disciple, Diksha.
हैं? ये सब है कुछ में एक डीड है।
There's a deed.
तो गुरुदेव बोले हम तो
So Gurudev said,
क्या जरूरत?
what is it? I don't need the mud. What is the point of the mud?
बहुत कम जो है उत्तर प्रदेश में आते थे।
So Vaman Goswami Maharaj didn't come here that much. The climate here in Uttar Pradesh, it didn't suit him. So he would only come like every 5 years or every 4 years. So he hardly used to come here. Then where would the disciples be, right? So because he is the one who is giving dikshas, so then he would have this one. So Gurudev said that I have a we were only brahmachari. We were 4 or 5 brahmachari.
और बाकी जो वृद्ध जैसे जो था वो दूसरी बात।
Then
एक्टिव ब्रह्मचारी
active, there was only 5 or 6 active brahmacharis.
तो मठ चलाने के लिए माइक पर भी कहाँ
So to run the mud is not easy.
श्रीनिवास जी और ये
Shiva, this I don't know, this Maharaj is from ISKCON.
ये मठ हम ले लेते हैं।
They said, oh, we will take this. We will take this land, we'll purchase this land now, and then afterwards we'll give it back to you. Or give it, not back to you, but give it to you. But Gurudev was so simple. Gurudev used to serve them. Gurudev is so simple. Even Gurudev's Abhi Jati, they used to do Guru Puja. That Gurudev, in Gurudev's Tithi, they used to come. I remember Gurudev used to sit here and they used to do Guru Aarti. So that's why Gurudev Vishwas. So Gurudev had Vishwas that they are also ours, they are like ours. Their mind that if that land, there was such a huge, big land, and a big mutt would have been built. Gurudev used to trust them so much, especially Tamal Krishna Maharaj and Giriraj Maharaj, especially them two. And those two, Gurudev used to take them as, they used to respect them. Gurudev used to respect them so highly. Yes, all these high, this Bas, he donated everything. All these high kathas, he just gave it to them. So, generously, he gave all these high class kathas. So he's saying that when they used to come here, they would shut the door. When they came to see Gurudev, they would shut the door. So other brahmacharis, like from the mud, couldn't go inside. When Gurudev was showing. I didn't understand that. Samay ho gaya. Yes, please. My battery is run out. My battery is running out. Samay ho gaya. Ganga Snan. What I was talking about earlier was Ganga Snan. Navadip Dham. No. We should have a Snan of Ganga, not Haridwar, Navadip. So in Navadip you have Ganga Snan, and you have a Mahaprabhu's places where Darshan and Harikatha. What more do you want than that? So here Mahaprabhu is saying to his bhaktas, to the devotees, that I will also come to Navadip for Ganga Snan. So Mahaprabhu is saying. So Mahaprabhu especially used to go to Navadip to have a Ganga Snan. For two reasons I would definitely come to Navadip is to have a darshan of Sati Mata and have Snan of Ganga.
এই ভিক্ষামরে দেহ তুমি সব ঘরে যাস কর সদা কৃষ্ণ সংকীর্তন কৃষ্ণ নাম কৃষ্ণ কথা কৃষ্ণ আরাধন আপনার দেহ নীলাচলে করিয়ে গমন মধ্যে মধ্যে আসি তোমায় দিব দর্শন এত বলি সভা করে ঈশত হাসিয়া বিদায় করিল প্রভু সম্মান করিয়া সভা বিদায় দিয়া প্রভু চলিত হইল মন হরিদাস কান্দি কহে করুণ বচন নীলাচলে যাবে তুমি মোর কোন গতি নীলাচলে যাইতে মোর নাই কসকতি মুই অধম না পাই তোমার দর্শন কেমনে ধরিব এ পাপিষ্ঠ জীবন প্রভু কহে কর তুমি দৈন্য সম্বরণ তোমার দৈন্যতে মোর ব্যাকুল হয় মন তোমার লাগি জগন্নাথে করিব নিবেদন তোমার লয়া যাব আমি শ্রী পুরুষোত্তম তবে তো আচার্য কহে বিনয় করিয়া দিন দুই চারি রহ বিপাত করিয়া আচার্যের বাক্য প্রভু না করে বন্ধন রহিলা দ্বৈত গৃহে না কইলা গমন আনন্দিত হইল আচার্য শচী ভক্ত সব প্রতিদিন করে আচার্য মহামহোৎসব দিনে দিনে কৃষ্ণ কথা রসভক্তগণ সঙ্গে রাত্রি মহামহোৎসব সংকীর্তন রঙ্গে আনন্দিত হইয়া শচী করে নরন্ধন সুখেন ভোজন করে প্রভু লয়া ভক্তগণ আচার্যের শ্রদ্ধা ভক্তি গৃহ সম্পদ ধনে সকল সফল হইল প্রভু আগমনে।